All right, so if you're thinking about getting into RVing, or maybe you're thinking about downsizing, you're like, I just need something to get me away for a weekend. I need everything I need, but I just make it compact. This is your answer. The Geo Pro by Rockwood. Everything you need in a compact package, like bite size.
Yeah, right? Absolutely. And I've been here for 18 years. I mean, Rockwood's my favorite product as far as fit and finish, the quality. Your full aluminum frame construction, 6-sided. They use Dexter axles. GeoPros use the off-grid tires, which are Westlake's, which is a good brand name. It'll have an outside table, an outside griddle that comes out here, so you can cook and everything outside. You got plenty of outlets right here. Obviously, almost full length power awning, right? With LED strip underneath. You see the big thing right here, Mastervolt power package. That's an option on this model, right? So for, I would say most of them are not ordered with that package because a lot of people don't go off the grid, but especially out west and everything, this is getting to be real popular. And what it is you can run the whole coach off of just your lithium batteries, right? So your AC can run. I mean, basically you can get totally off the grid, not dependent on any type of external power source. So
great.
Large entry grab handle. You've got Asdel construction, so your sidewalls, instead of having like a cheaper Luan that'll warp and separate over time, you've got a composite, so it'll never absorb moisture.
Yeah. Solid
entry steps. This comes in only around just like at right around 3,500 pounds with the heavier battery. So any SUV pretty much can tow this for the most part. I mean, there's smaller SUVs that can't, but as long as you can pull around 4,500 to 5,000, which most SUVs can, you're more than fine to be able to pull this unit. So
love it. So let's get inside and take a look.
Yeah, absolutely.
So inside, like we said, just compact, everything you need right in one space, perfect for a couple, a couple, or maybe if you got a kid that you want to bring, you can break down the dinette area.
Yep.
Let's talk about it. So here's the living/sleeping space.
Right, so you're no slide on this unit, but you still got a ton of space. So they've got the nicest Murphy bed in the industry, in my opinion. So when you're in the up position, right, you can hang out. You've got cup holders right here. You've got footrests that pop up on both sides right here, right? And then quick and easy, like I told you, all you got to do is slide that, set this down first. All right, so we'll flip the sofa down first, right? Lay that in flat position.
Get back out of the way here.
And then this just comes straight down.
There you go.
There's no fold-up mattress. They give these nice things to hold on your bedspread and everything and your sheets. And then basically it's literally of a pull of a button. Pull it straight up. And it just flips right up. Put your sofa up first. And then there's just two little pins that come over.
Yeah.
Done.
Got a little wardrobe on either side.
Yep, wardrobe on either side.
Shelves underneath. Yeah, I love it. It's great. Kitchen area.
Yep, it's got nicer countertops. Stainless steel undermount sink, and then your flip-up countertop extension to give you more space there. They've done a full oven, LED backlighting for your knobs, and then a 3-burner cooktop. It's got the glass cover to give you more counter space. Yeah. Does have the nicer residential refrigerator right there as well.
With above it a microwave even.
Yep, in your microwave.
Found space for it. Storage above the kitchen and above the dinette area where Austin's hanging out right now. It's broken down into like the sleeping arrangement if you wanted to pull those pads down and make that into a bed. Of course, that's your griddle and your table that would go outside on the rack, and there's your TV back there in the back. Of course, all the way in the back, the bathroom. Oh, look at Austin. Doesn't even need us. Doesn't even. Oh, I see what he wanted to do. He wanted to get himself on the show in that mirror. Like, hey, ladies.
Yeah, you still got a nice storage back here and everything. This looks like this gives you more power package options right here. Quick start. So it's got basically like an energy management system on here. It's going to tell you, state of the batteries, how much charge you got left. So pretty cool. They do a tire pressure monitoring system.
They do. I said it in front of everybody. That's funny. I need to grow up.
So they have the tire pressure monitoring system. So if you're rapidly losing air on your tires or slowly, something's wrong. It's got a little monitor that will go up there for you as well. Yeah. So
safety, love it. All right. So again, if you're looking for something for the weekend, I mean, you can stay in this obviously longer than a weekend. All kinds of people are buying these tiny houses now. why not get a tiny RV? Even though it's tiny compared to a lot of the RVs we walk through, everything you need is inside here. 2 of you would be absolutely comfortable in this thing. 3 even with a small kid.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
So get hold of us. We'd love to get you in one.